So now let's learn how to use Smart List and filters to organize your contacts in Zappify.io. So first, inside the contact section, click Smart List on the top tab here, and next is click Add Smart List here, and apply filters such as tags, date added, pipeline stage, or custom fields. So save the list so it automatically updates whenever a contact matches your criteria. So here, and use Smart List to quickly segment leads, active clients, or cold contacts.